Hey lovelies, welcome or welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, hello, hi, my name is Destiny and thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Alrighty guys, so as you can see from the title of this video, I'm going to be trying out lock clip-ins. I am so excited. I got sent over these lock clip-ins from Curlsqueen, and when I got approached to try their lock extensions out, I was so thrilled because I've been looking for something like this for the longest time. I'm at a local beauty supply store and they don't have it, and I'm like, okay, I wonder if I should make this, but then I was kind of lazy, so I'm like, let me just not even attempt. So when I found out that there's already pre-made lock clip-ins, I was over the moon and I definitely had to try them out. So first things first, the box is so cute. Like, it literally speaks for itself. It has like a pink marble texture, and I'm loving the bow. The gold and brown mixed together. It's super cute. But yeah, so we are going to be trying out this here together. I got the 10 inches and 0.6 diameter. Okay guys, so we're going to open it up. So this is what it looks like. We're going to see what's inside. Okay, so, oh, this is so cute. So it comes with a pouch, as you can see right here, and I love me pink. Anything pink, I'm all for it. So I absolutely love this bag, and I feel like it's definitely could be reusable. And look at this comb or brush. It's a bristle brush. I obviously can't use it, but I'll definitely be using it for like my daughter's hair. So this is super cute. Love this. I love the chrome. It comes with extra clips for the extensions, and it comes with a bonnet. Look how cute this bonnet is. I love the color. It has a drawstring to adjust the size, so that is very, very cool. And it's really big. I love how big it is. Look, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it has a lot of stretch to it, so I will definitely 100% be using this. It also comes with a super cute thank you card and a instruction manual on how to care for the hair. So it just says Curlsqueen. It has the QR code that brings you to their website. Yeah, and literally just it tells you, yeah, how to care for the hair. So that's really cool, because just in case you don't know how to, now you do. Alrighty guys, so for the moment we've all been waiting for, the actual hair. So it comes in this cute silk bag. It's like a blush pink, and it's a drawstring as well. So this will definitely be being reused as well. But yeah, let's get right into the locks itself. So taking it straight from the bag, this is what the hair looks like. It has a tag with Curlsqueen on it, and it has a mesh, I guess, for protection. Okay guys, so this is what the hair looks like. I got the 10 inch and 0.6 diameter. So it is a little bit big. It's bigger than what I was expecting, to be honest, from the photos that I was able to pick from. But I do have bigger locks throughout my hair. So I'm hoping it's gonna blend in. I do like have puffier ones. But for the vast majority, like, this is what the hair looks like. This is the size. These are the ends of the hair. So some of them are curly, as you can see. If you stretch this out, it curls right back up. So it does kind of match the ends of my hair, which I'm really excited for. It comes in natural black, but as you can see, my hair is dyed, so I am going to be dyeing this hair. But I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like straight out of the pack. And then it comes obviously with like this, I guess, secure to keep it all clipped in together. So we're going to take this out and test it out. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like out of the secure band. So this piece itself has two clips, one on each side. This is the length of the hair. So as I said, 10 inches long with curly ends. This hair is 100% human, which I'm so ecstatic about, because you can wash it, you can dye it. I obviously have to dye my hair in order for it to blend in with my actual hair. So I'm going to be dyeing it out for those people that do have dyed hair. I'm going to be testing that out and showing you guys how it takes with the dye, so I will be right back once that is all finished to show you how it looks. Alrighty guys, so I am back. I have finished dyeing the hair, so this is what it looks like after doing the dye. It's not exactly my color. I feel like in the light it matches really well, but like my undertones, like it matches really well. So I do plan on dyeing it just one more shade, a little bit lighter, kind of just to match the ends of my hair, because as you can see it's more red. But I feel like it took the dye really well. The hair was extremely soft after washing it. I had a little bit of shedding, but that was kind of expected because my hair also sheds when I dye my hair too. But other than that, like, it took the dye extremely well, and I love it. And yeah, as I said, I'm gonna do it a little bit lighter. It matches, like it's still pretty dark, but for like to put it underneath, I feel like it's pretty okay. But anyways, I just really wanted to show you guys how it looks like. So for the fun part, we're gonna add in the clip-ins. Okay guys, so this is what my hair looks like before I add in the clip-ins. As you can see, it is lacking volume and length, and I got a longer length than my hair because I wanted to test out and experiment having longer lengths. So this is like a perfect alternative. If you don't want to do lock extensions, getting clip-ins would be perfect because you can do the length and you can just clip it out. You don't have to like commit to anything. And that's kind of what I am doing. So I'm just going to part the back of my hair as low as possible, and yeah, just start clipping away. Alrighty guys, so this is what 9 out of the 10 pieces look like. I have one piece left, but for right now I feel like it's okay. This is full enough. And if I do need to add it in, I can add in. If I do need to take it out, I can take out. So that's the beauty of these extension clip-ins. But this is what the hair looks like. I have not sprayed my hair. I have not sprayed the hair itself. So this is what it looks like, completely 100% dry, 100% not manipulated. And I think it's so cute. Like, it's giving me like very like bohemian lock vibes. It's so full. It reminds me of my previous set, like in terms of like the thickness and the diameter of the lock itself. But I think it's blending in with my hair really well, and I might not even have to dye it, but I'm going to spray it. I want to show you guys what it looks like wet, so give me 1 second. Okay guys, so this is what the hair looks like wet. My hair is pretty damp, the hair is pretty damp, and I feel like it even blends in more. I'm obsessed with this hair. I'm so excited. This is so cute. I love it. I love that it adds length. I love that it adds volume. It's such a huge difference between my hair and obviously this hair. So if you're looking for something different, something to zhuzh up your hair, or something to just add length or add volume as you are on your lock journey, I 100% suggest that you try clip-ins, and especially from Curlsqueen. The hair quality is absolutely beautiful. I have no complaints other than the shedding, which is, I feel like it's okay because hair sheds, but it's nothing too hectic. But other than that, like, it's beautiful. It's soft. It holds on to like the smell once you wash your hair, so it doesn't have like a bad after smell. The hair is really soft, and I love these little curly ends. It's super cute. But if you do have, I feel like my lock sizes kind of blend in because I have bigger sizes throughout my hair and then smaller sizes throughout my hair. So I feel like if you want to if you are very, if you have different lock sizes, just keep in mind that the lock size itself is just consistent. So if you don't mind it just being a consistent size, for sure, I would say this is perfect for you. And even if you have different sizes, like as you can see, I have a whole bunch of different sizes, but it doesn't really show, or it doesn't really look terrible. But yeah, I absolutely love the hair. I'm gonna style it to show you guys what you can do with it. So let's see that. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, the hair is really good quality. I have literally no complaints. Thank you again, Curlsqueen, for sending me this hair. And if you guys are interested in purchasing this hair, check out the description. I have all the information and details in my description box down below. But thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!